hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirti Agarwal and as you know from the title, आज के वीडियो में मैं इस क्रॉप टॉप को 5 different ways में स्टाइल करने वाली हूँ, starting from very dressy to very sober as you like. And personally I am sort of a dressy person जो कि थोड़ा सा extra dress up करने की कोशिश करता है in every event. I know that, but yeah, I will also tell you some options जिससे आप बहुत sober बना सकते हैं इस वाले क्रॉप टॉप को. And you can take this crop top from like brunch look to like party look to like weddings to like everything. And even if you have like any crop top, you can take it to so many different functions, so many different type of parties and all. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for the first look, I'm pairing this pink crop top with some pink and pastel blue sort of a bangles which I got from my mom's closet, and these earrings which again I got from my mom's closet because I don't have that much traditional stuff and all. So I'm pairing this with a blue colored lehenga, pastel blue colored lehenga, which have like similar pink colored embroidery to go with this crop top very well. And you're not an Indian girl if you don't twirl in your lehenga. It's like must. Whenever an Indian girl wear a lehenga, she will definitely twirl. So that's quite Indian brown girls. And yeah, this is my complete look, and this is like very on the dressier side, on the heavier side. I'm wearing jhumkas, I'm wearing bangles, I'm dancing and stuff just to show that I'm happy and I'm relaxed, which I really am. So yeah, this is the first look in which I styled my crop top with a lehenga, and this is like very wedding appropriate as well. Not only on Diwali, you can wear it on your like cousin's wedding, your friend's wedding, because wedding season is just ahead. Moving on to the next outfit, even I'm starting this with like twirling around and swirling around just because, as I said, I can't stop myself doing that. And yeah, I'm wearing this pink colored sheer skirt, or what we say that shiny skirt with pleats and all. It's very comfortable. It's like for cocktail parties and all. You can like dance around and you can move around very well, and it's not very heavy. You can even take this to like western parties and all. That's very appropriate as well. Once again, I'm wearing the same earrings from my mom's closet, which has a little pink sort of a bead which matches my crop top and skirt as well. So I've kept this whole look very monotone, very comfortable, just because this skirt is maxi dress, so you'll be like very comfortable even in the parties and like for dancing around. And I'm wearing a little layered necklace on my neck so that I don't feel like very empty on my neck. You can even skip that, or you can even make it more heavy or like more layered one. So for the third outfit, I'm wearing this navy blue sort of a palazzo pant with this pink crop top because pink and navy blue goes very well. And I'm wearing different sort of earrings this time. Finally, I've changed it, and I'm wearing the same necklace again. This outfit is like more of a comfortable one, not very dressy one, but you know, party appropriate. And if you're going for a dinner party, if you're going for a cafe, you can even wear some outfits like this for your brunch with your girlfriends and all. So this was very appropriate for that one. And this is like my personal favorite because it was like very comfortable. Once again, I'm wearing a skirt, but this time a very plain and sober cream skirt which we all have in our wardrobe, and I'm pairing this with dupatta which matches my blouse and my skirt as well because it has like golden sequence detailing all over it, and it makes this outfit look more heavy and more Diwali and festive appropriate and all. And I'm wearing the same earrings once again, and I'm also twirling around and swirling around just because I said I can't stop myself for this. I'm really sorry for that. And yeah, this outfit looks completely heavy, very festive, very wedding appropriate. You can even pair this with like a very heavy embroidered dupatta to make it more heavy. If you're like a person like me who loves to dress up, then this outfit is completely for you, as we all have a cream skirt in our ethnic wardrobe. Next outfit is for all those girls who want to wear a sari, but not in the form of a sari, but in the form of a pant sari, because it is like more comfortable to walk around and to move around. So here I'm wearing a sari in a pant style form. It's like very easy to drape. You just have to pleat it and tuck it in your belly, and then you have to wrap it around. That's it. You can even just take it up, or you can even just fold it in your neck and make it, a collar form of a sari that looks good as well. And yeah, it's very comfortable, and this look is quite of a monotone. I'm wearing a denim inside so that the monotone gets a little on the lower side. So this was all about the last look. So this was all about this video. These were my 5 looks with this crop top, this pink crop top. You can style them with any sort of a crop top which you have. And yeah, this was all about this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such Diwali outfit inspo. You can comment down below and tell me what kind of videos you want me to make. And thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, bye bye.